Welcome back guys to another hair tutorial. This time around it is a side part, obviously a quick weave side part tutorial, but the good thing about this hairstyle is that it is given a natural feel. Okay, so if you want to know how I achieve this, keep on watching. I'm basically just applying the adhesive glue and drying it. Make sure guys that this hair is dry, and I'm removing and cutting out the extra lace. As you can see, the part that I'm cutting out is where I have my leave out. Okay, so basically I'm just cutting it out, removing any extra lace cap that I have. And the first thing I did is measure the hair before I put the glue. You want to know how much hair you need to start with, and then I apply the glue, and then this is me just gluing it to my hair like so. So guys, I repeated the same process. Basically measure, add the bonding glue and apply on my hair, and I'm just blow drying it. This is me repeating the same step over and over again until I get to the front of my hair. So keep on watching guys to see how I did it. Guys, keep in mind that I am avoiding my leave out, so make sure that you are not applying the tracks on your leave out. And that's it, and I'm done with applying the tracks. Now it's time for me to blend my natural hair with the tracks. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm straightening the hair first. This hair that I got is actually human hair from the beauty supply. It was on the affordable end. Everything was about $70, which is an affordable, cheap, you know, human hair. So let's see how this goes, and I can see if I can still reuse it, which I think I can, because that's the whole point of me getting the human hair compared to getting a synthetic hair. Because once I'm done, I just need to wash the hair and reuse it for something else, if that makes sense. So a little baby hair does not hurt anybody. I'm obsessed with a little bit. Okay guys, I'm losing my hair. Anyways, this is it. I'm done. It looks good. It looks amazing. Guys, the reason why the hair is a little bit wet is because I put too much hair oil. So guys, it's gonna be like me, but a little dry shampoo is going to fix it, and that's what I'm going to do after. Bye.